Hip chicks, it is that time of year where we need to be sealing up our windows so that we are comfortable, we're saving money, and we're not wasting energy. So let's tackle a couple places around a standard window that you can add some easy to use products that will really make a difference. So the first thing I like to tell everybody every year is to make sure that they've locked their windows. I have been to customers' homes who've asked me to help weatherize it, and I walked around and found windows that were not closed, okay? So make sure that your windows are fully closed. If you have double hung windows, you may have to push that upper pane, make sure it's all the way up there, close the bottom, and lock them. When you lock your windows, you're getting maximum efficiency out of the window integrity itself. So be sure that you lock them. Now, where are we losing air on a standard window? A couple places. One, we've got air coming in the sides, maybe this fuzzy strip, it's called a brush pile, is no longer effective. It's just kind of thinned out. We could have air coming in along this top edge where the two panes meet. We can have air that is coming in the bottom because, again, the brush pile has kind of worn out. So you need to feel around and see where the air is coming in. Now, how do we solve them? Again, close and lock. For the brush pile issue on the side, you can try to tilt your windows in and replace the brush pile. That can be a little tricky to find the right thickness of brush pile, but there's a new product that I have to tell you about. It's only been on the market for a short time. And in full disclosure, I have done work for Frost King over the years. They haven't asked me to make this video. I just want to share this with you because I freaking love this new product. It is Reusable Weather Seal. So it's self-adhesive. It is not a sticky product in that it doesn't have like tape and adhesive. It has this, what they call GEC technology. So it kind of grips the surface so you can peel it off and reposition and reuse it. You can't do that with typical weather stripping. So I really like this, and it can go places that other stuff can't go because it's so thin. So what do you do with this? Well, if you've got that brush pile side air leak, you can take this and you can just line it up along the edge, and wow, look at that. You've now blocked out all of that air. But no worries, there's an emergency. You got to get it out of the house. You need to open the window because it's a beautiful day and you want to get some air. You can simply peel it off. You could set it on the side of the window. You could put it back on 2 days later when the temperature drops. Super, I just so love this. I'm going to be using this all over my house. The other place this is great for is the top of the window where the two panes meet. Because the only real attractive option to put in there would be clear temporary caulk. Not regular caulk, but clear temporary weather seal caulk. But that's still messy. It still takes a little bit more time. This, you cut a piece to the section width you need it, and you just press it into place. You can go right over the lock if you want and work your way down. You can seal out so much of that air and reposition it. So I'm just crazy about this product. Could also put it along the bottom if you need to. You can use it on doors because sometimes you go to use regular weather seal and it's too thick and you can't get the door to shut. This stuff is so thin that it really can go almost anywhere. So this is a great way to seal up a bunch of those issues. It comes 10 feet long, so you'll get a lot of areas done, and it's about 1 inch thick. So you've got some nice options. It's also washable, so if you get dog hair and stuff on it. Now, when you open the window, we want to talk about other options for the underside that you have bigger drafts. This is a premium rubber weather seal. I love this because it's thick and compressionable, if that's an actual word. What I love about it is that this product can be squished very compactly. It's a little D shape, and when you squish it down, it gets really compact. You don't get that with the foam. So you can use this in areas that you really need to seal out the air, and it will adjust to the amount of space that you have. It comes in different styles. The P profile is one option. They also have it in a double D row. easy to use, it's effective. This one has like a 10-year warranty. This is the kind of stuff that I use in my house, in the areas that we have some air leaks. You just pop this on and it's going to last you a great number of years. Drop it down, lock it, you're going to feel more comfortable. So do check out the different products in your local store, see what you have, but this stuff, this reusable weather seal is such a great product, and I am so happy that I found it and will be using it all over my house. If you found these tips helpful, please subscribe so that you can get more content sent right to your inbox. We've got lots more content in the queue, and we're happy to help you save money, stress, and time.